mean, sheesh. Come on, man. And that's just the low beams.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep under, but my body.
Just like that, man, I'm back at y'all with another review, man. So we on the Cutlass today, man. Got a review on some AUXITO LED lighting. Had the same bulbs for the Monte Carlo, and now we doing the Cutlass, man. This video is sponsored by AUXITO Lighting, man. Y'all shout out to AUXITO Lighting. Y'all get at them for all your LED lighting needs, man. I'll put the link in the description as well as in the comment section and pin it for y'all, man. I'm gonna make it easy for y'all. So without talking so much, man, I'm gonna get on into this video. I'm gonna show y'all what the old headlights look like. Then I'm gonna show y'all what the AUXITO LEDs look like in here. Stay tuned, man. So here we are with the 87 Cut Dog. 87 Cut Dog. And we're gonna update this thing with some LED light, man, by AUXITO. So I already started tearing this apart because I know I only had one hand to work with. So we're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. These particular lights are 9004s. So if you have an 87 to 88 Cutlass with the Euro clip, you'll use a 9004 bulb size, 9004. And these are AUXITO. We're gonna go ahead and open this thing up. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, but we're gonna get it. Y'all bear with me. Y'all bear with me. Y'all still there? I appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all still being there. All right, so we got it opened up. AUXITO, they send you a set of gloves so that you won't mess up the LED bulbs. You get a nice product manual here. Got a lot of information in there. You can follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. And these are the bulbs. 9004 for your 1987 to 88 Cutlass. I'm not sure what all vehicles these fit on, but if you hit them up, they got old school lighting, they got new school lighting. All you need to know is your vehicle or whatever your bulb size is. For the Monte Carlo, if you got the 4 bulbs, it's actually the 9003/H4, mostly known as the H4. For this one, it's the 9004. I don't hear a lot of people call it the HB1 or whatever, but 9004. So these are what the bulbs look like. Nice packaging, very protective. Got all your little foam in there. And these are the LED lights. All right, so with showing that, I'm gonna get inside of the car and turn on the lights so you can see what they look like before. Then we'll install one and we'll compare the two, and then we'll install both and we'll be done. Hey y'all, don't forget to hit up AUXITO, man. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. All right, so we're gonna turn the lights on. Man, see, this one ain't even, it's my high beams on. I can't even tell if this one on or not, but this is the high beam. And wow. See, this is what happens when you do stuff live and in effect, man. You know what I'm saying? Live. Look, the bulb ain't even in there, bro. The bulb ain't even in there. So I believe the high beams are on right now. So what we're gonna do is put these back. Can y'all see what's going on? I don't know if y'all can see or not. I know one thing, these things are hot. I can hear, I can smell whatever it was touching. It was like burning it. But I need to get these in here. I think it's because of those Y'all bear with me. Bear with me, bear with me. All right, so it looked like the high beams are on. So let's check. Let's check. All right, let's see what we got now. All right, so yeah. So that bulb must don't work, but this is the low beams. So what we'll do is we'll start on this side and put the AUXITO LED in there, and we'll see what happens. Yes, sir. That look like a nice thumbnail right there. Nice thumbnail. Well, actually, we need to actually get a LED in there before we be talking about a thumbnail. But yeah, y'all hang tight, man. I'm gonna get this installed, and then I'm gonna get back with y'all. So I want to show y'all how easy it is to replace these, and then we'll compare the bulbs. I got a little cameraman out here with me, so now I can actually show y'all. So this is, oh, I can't even see it on there. Normally you can see the size of the bulb here, but you can't. So anyway, we're gonna take that. And the reason why this low beam wasn't working, look at this. Look at this. Of course it's not working because it's not intact. So to compare the two, that's what we look like. We got the same plugs and everything. So we shouldn't have any issues with installation. The only thing is this bulb is taller than this one. So I don't know if y'all can see that in the video, but it's a little bit taller. So we're gonna see how that works. Hopefully that's not an issue. So I'm gonna go ahead. Actually, I need to turn off the lights first. So this, it just plugs in just like it should. It popped right in there. Actually, I missed a step, y'all. I gotta put this ring back on there. This ring goes like this. So this ring goes in here like that. Then you put this on. Snaps in. And we're gonna put it in the hole. Should have put a little bit of oil on that O-ring, but it should be fine. Now I just gotta lock it down. Yeah, that O-ring is a little stiff. For video purposes, it should be fine though. I'm just glad it's not too long, because it looked like it was gonna be a little long. All right, y'all, so I struggled a little bit getting this in here, but that's because I never worked with this before. So there's a little slot in there that you have to line up, and then it goes right in there. You don't even have to worry about the O-ring. It slides right in there. You push this little piece up on there and then turn it, and it locks on. So now we're secure. We're gonna turn these lights on again and see what kind of difference we got. So, moment of truth, y'all. Moment of truth. Y'all ready? Sheesh. Come on, man. And that's just the low beams. I don't have the high beams. They only sent me the low beams to do a review. So we definitely gonna put the high beams in there too. But you can't even tell that the high beams ain't in there. That's how bright they are. Look at the yellow. We call them pissy lights where I'm from. Pissy lights, man. Go with the LEDs, bro. Come on now. Look at that. Sheesh. So we're gonna go ahead and put in the other one, and maybe this will be a nice thumbnail here. I don't know what y'all think. Y'all think that's a nice thumbnail? Block out the pissy light or let the pissy light show? Either way. Yeah, hey man, AUXITO lighting for the win, bro. So we're gonna go ahead and install this other side, Ooh, look at them valleys over there. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and install this other side, and we'll get back with y'all, man. Show y'all what it's looking like. All right, fam. We got the other LED installed. I'm gonna close this down a little bit. But we got the other LED light installed. Like I said, AUXITO LED lighting, man. I'm gonna keep saying it so that y'all can get it in your head and hit that link and go over there and shop with them, man. Hey, so we're gonna go ahead and start this, turn the lights back on, and we're gonna see what we're looking like. The finished product. Finished product. Finished product. Boy, y'all see that? Y'all see that? Come on now. Come on now. Come on with it. That's just the low beams, y'all. That's just the low beams. So y'all, after seeing how bright these lights are, man, I'm definitely hitting them up for the high beams and for lights for any other application that I have, y'all. I mean, it's crazy, bro. Crazy. Look at that. So, hey, take all that old stuff out your cars, man. Go ahead and get you some LEDs from AUXITO, man, and call it a day. You will not be disappointed, man. You will not be disappointed. Yes, sir. So y'all seen it, man. AUXITO lighting, man. Hey, I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out, man. I appreciate y'all tapping in with me. I appreciate each and every one of y'all, man. We almost at 10,000 subs, man. So y'all keep it going, man. Tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. We doing Gbody stuff over here. We doing square body stuff over here. We doing reviews over here. We partner, we sponsor. Hey, it's up, man. Y'all don't forget to hit that like button, man. Don't forget to hit that bell. I'll catch y'all on the next one, man. 87SS boy, we out of here.